So let's head on back to our listing area and then take a look at how things are set up within the backend. So we'll go over to Flotheme and click on videos, and here we have the standard 5 tabs. We have how-tos with our video tutorials, global layout where you can select the layout for your video, listings inside. Basically, once we click into the actual video like we did just a moment ago, this is the layout that we will see within the following page. Next, we can also choose one of the templates for us to work with. So these are just several pre-designed templates for you guys to select, and then of course you can use our page builder to make certain adjustments within the following templates. Also, we have a tab that's called miscellaneous, and here you can make adjustments to the video URL and to the category slugs. So everything is pretty straightforward, and the options are exactly the same as what you would find within the settings going over to blog posts or galleries. Let's head on over to the preview options and see what we have going on here. This is the most important page for the video listing section. First of all, we have 3 options for us to choose from. We have an option that is called static. This simply means that images are static. There is no autoplaying, no play on hovers. So these are just static images whereby they use the featured image as the cover image for the following video post. And then once we click on play, or once we click on the title, we're able to preview the actual video uploaded to it. The second option that we have is called Autoplay on Hover. So let's click Autoplay on Hover, then click on Update, and then refresh our page. Okay, so now you can see that as soon as I hover over a certain post, a video starts playing. Next, let's take a look at our third option, and it is called Global Autoplay. So we'll click here, click on Update, and then once again refresh our website. So as you can see, this option over here enables video autoplay as soon as you land on the following page. So this is pretty simple and straightforward. Let's take a look at our next set of settings that we have within the video area. We have an option that is called buttons. So this is basically the option to enable or disable a play button on top of our featured image. So once again, let's refresh our page and see what changes apply. Alright, so as you can see, the images are pretty static. There is no play button here. The only option is to click into the actual video post to preview the video post content. Okay, next, let's go back and enable our buttons section, and here we have 2 additional options. We have a boxed preview, or we have a pop-up. If you select pop-up, there are 2 different types of previews for you. There's one with a video popping up, and then we have next and previous in the middle and to the sides, left and right of our video. And then we have all of the standard settings such as elements, colors, fonts, backgrounds, adjusting font families, font styles. You can also change out the next and previous labels within the following fields. So everything's pretty straightforward here. If we select layout type B, the options are generally the same. As you can see, the layout looks slightly different, and then we have pretty much the exact same options as we did previously. So let's go ahead and enable one of these pop-ups, and once again, let's go ahead, click on Update, and then refresh our page once again. Okay, so now we have our video play button available, and once we click on the play button, you'll see that we have a video pop-up. The video starts playing, and then of course we can navigate through the other videos that we have within the following page. So everything's pretty simple here. One thing that I also wanted to mention is regarding this global autoplay option. This may not always be the best suitable option depending on the type of layout that you select. So let's enable this option at first. I'll click on update, and we will take a look at, let's say, listing number 7, where we have a slider of images, or slider of videos, should I say. And as you can see within the following section, we have our videos auto-playing. However, what that also means that the videos to the left and to the right also autoplay. Therefore, if you switch to the next video, you kind of missed some of that video content already. So it's completely up to you to decide whether or not this option may work for you. Just make sure that you double check with the layout that you select for your listing and make sure that the global autoplay works properly. My preference for, let's say, listing number 7 would be to enable autoplay on hover. That would make more sense to me personally. However, you guys can do as you wish and play around with these options to make sure that they work for you. Okay, so this pretty much covers everything that we have within our video settings and how things are set up. And in our next video, I want to talk to you about an option here that's called main video and an option that is called listing preview options. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, guys, and I will see you around later in our next video.